Hello students, welcome back to your online session for maths class. Now today we are going to begin with exercise 8, that is on page number 41 in your maths books, okay? And this exercise we are going to do simplify. So let us get started with it. Question number 1, I hope you all can see. Here what we have to do, students, we have to first of all perform addition operation. First of all we have to add these two numbers, and then whatever answer we will get, we will subtract this number from that answer. Okay, let us start doing it. First of all, arrange these first two numbers vertically. Okay, let us arrange them. 2 5 1 7 4 3. Done. Now this one, 6 2 1 3 0 1. Now let us add these two numbers. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 0 4, 7 plus 3 will give us 10, and out of that 10 we'll write this 0 over here and 1 in carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1 3, 5 plus 2 7, then 6 plus 2 8. Okay, so this first part we are done. Now what we'll do, make an arrow so that like it will show that this answer we will write down over here, 87304. Now we will write down this number, 119254. And which operation we have to use over here? We have to use subtraction operation. Okay, so just subtract it. 4 subtracted from 4 will give us 0. Can we subtract 5 from 4? No. So what we need to do? We need to take one borrow, but it is 0 over here. So this digit will also take borrow from here. It will become 10 and it will become 2. Now this one will give one borrow to this. It will become 14 and it will become 9. Now 5 subtracted from 14 will give us 9. 2 subtracted from 9 will give us 7. Now can I subtract 9 from 2? No. So again it will take one borrow from here. It will become 12 and it will be left with 6. Now 9 subtracted from 12 will give us 3. Then 1 subtracted from 6 will give us 5. And 1 subtracted from 8 will give us 7. Is it clear to you all? Now let us move on to question number 2. Again here, first of all we have to add these two numbers, then subtract this one. Let us arrange it. 4 3 1 2 9 6, 2 1 7 1 7 5. Let us add these two numbers. 6 added to 5 will give us 11. 1 over here, 1 again in carry. Now 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. So 7 and 1 again in carry. 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. 7 plus 1, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, again an arrow, write down this answer over here and then this number 50178. put subtraction sign and start subtracting it. Can I subtract 8 from 1? No. So we'll take one borrow. It will be left with 6. Now first of all subtract it. 8 subtracted from 11 will give us 3. Now we cannot subtract 7 from 6, so we'll take one borrow again and it will be left with 3. Now 7 subtracted from 16 will give us 9. Okay. Now 1 subtracted from 3, 2. 0 subtracted from 8, 8. Take one borrow again and it will be left with 5. Now 5 subtracted from 4 will give us 9 and 5 we will write here as it is. Okay. Now third part. Write down, arrange these numbers vertically first of all. This one is done. Then plus 43217 okay, it is done. Now 0 and 2, 2. 9 plus 7, 16. 1 1 1 3. 2 plus 0, 2. 3 plus 0, 3. And 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. Let us again mark an arrow like this. Write down the answer that we obtained over here. Now this is the answer that we have obtained over here. Then okay, write down this number as it is 299429. Start subtracting it. First of all, we need to take one borrow because we cannot subtract 9 from 2, right? So it will become 12 and 5 will be left over here. Answer will be 3. 2 subtracted from 5, 3. Again we need to take one borrow because we cannot subtract 4 from 3. Done. Now answer will be 9. It will be left with 1, so again it will take one borrow. 9 subtracted from 11 will give us 2. It will be left with 2. Take again one borrow and it will be left with 6. 9 subtracted from 12, 3. 2 subtracted from 6, 4. Okay. Now fourth part. 9 9 9 9 9 9. Okay, 6 times 9 and we have to subtract 6 times 2 from this given number. You can see, student, first of all here we have to subtract the numbers. Okay, so 2 subtracted from 9, 7 7 7 7 7 7. Done. Again mark an arrow, write down the answer. Okay, now we have to add this given number. Okay, so 7 plus 3, 7 plus 3, 10. 1 carry. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. Again 1 carry. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. Again 7 plus 3 plus 1, 11. Again 7 plus 3 plus 1, 11. Again carry. 7 plus 3 plus 1, 11. Okay, like here we will write 11 as whole number. Complete 11 over here. Okay, so this is our answer. Now last part of this exercise is question number 5. Students, you can see it clearly over here. We have 4 numbers, right? So we have two options to solve this question. We can So subtract these two numbers, again subtract these two numbers, and whatever answer we'll get, we can add that answer. Okay, two answer will get na, one answer from this, one answer from this, and then we can add both the numbers, both the answers. But here I am doing in this way only. Okay, see, 5 2 9 5 1 6, and we have to subtract 1 0 2 0 5 3 from here. 3 subtracted from 6, 3. Okay, we cannot subtract 5 from 1, so we'll take one borrow. It will become 11, and 4 will be left over here. 5 subtracted from 11, 6. 4 we will write down as it is. Then 2 subtracted from 9, 7. Here we'll write 2 as it is. And here 1 subtracted from 5 will give us 4. Okay, so this answer we have got over here. Now make an arrow again, write down this answer: 4 2 7 4 6 3. As we have this as third number, so what we will do, we will add this number now to this answer. 0 plus 3, 3. 6 plus 7, 13. Okay, 9 plus 1 plus 4, 14. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5. And this 4 we will write down as it is. Okay, now again make an arrow, because we have to solve this number as well. Okay, we have to subtract it now. So write down the answer that we have obtained over here: 4 5 3 4 3 3. Put subtraction sign, then 1 8 3 2 5. Okay, we need to take one borrow now, because we can't subtract 5 from 3. So 5 subtracted from 13, 8. 2 will be left over here. 2 subtracted from 2 will give us 0. 3 subtracted from 4 will give us 1. Now again we need to take one borrow, and 4 will be left over here. Now 8 subtracted from 13 will give us 5. Now 1 subtracted from 4, 3, and this 4 we will write as it is. So student, will see that this is our final answer. Let me show it once again. First of all, we have subtracted these two numbers. Okay, this is the answer that we have obtained. Then from this answer, in this answer we have added this number, right? This is the answer that we have obtained after addition. Then in this answer we have to subtract this number. So this is the final answer that we have obtained. Okay, so this is how we have done exercise 8 of unit 3. Okay, and in our next class we'll move on to exercise 9. Meanwhile, all of you, please complete your work in your maths registers properly, in good handwriting, and putting up the date clearly and nicely. Okay, and don't keep your works pending. That is all for today, students. Have a good day. Take care.